Filing on Malaysia tax, I'm sure you have a lot of questions, but don't miss this update or you might get flagged. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rex. Today's video, let me walk you through the Malaysia tax filing process in 2025, especially the key part about declaring your foreign income or remittance. If you have watched my 2023 tax filing videos, you know I always break things down in step by step, so you can trust me that I make this video as simple as possible. So if you are earning money overseas and that money converted to Malaysia is definitely a large sum of money, and this money will definitely need to declare. And listen, there is an important exemption rules that you need to follow, or you will run into troubles or compliance issues. But I make things simple here. If you are a Malaysia tax resident remitting income from abroad, you must take note. This includes sending money to your parents, your insurance bill in Malaysia, or even large amount of big purchase for car, houses. You will need to fill in this section here. It's called tax exempt income from sources outside Malaysia received in Malaysia. Well, even though Malaysia has extended these tax exemption rules on foreign income until 31st December 2026, you still need to declare it in your tax return, and most importantly, keep your supporting documents as long as possible. If you are still working at overseas, you never know, one day they will come and hunt you down for anything.
So first of all, visit to my tax hasil. Logging in, this is what you will see, your tax payment over the years. So for 2025, you click on year 2024. I believe you are a Malaysian citizen. If yes, you just need to focus on BE and B, the top two. Employment income, select BE. With business income, select B. Speaking to a business income for Form B, as long as you are never remit any of your business income to Malaysia, you are good to just fill in BE instead. For today's, let's go through the Form BE. There are total 5 pages in the tax filing. Page 1 and 2 is your particular, which are pretty straightforward. But however, there is one special section which worth noting: incentive claim. It refers to a special tax exemptions. For instance, prize money from sport competition and pension from those in the public service. And one more which many of you may be confusing, that is code 604. This is typically for Malaysian in strategic overseas industrials or those boosting Malaysia economies via their foreign income remittance. Otherwise, let's look at page 3. It's about your income for us while working overseas. All you need is just keying 0, scrolling down, and here come the part where you will need to take note. Tax exempt income from sources outside Malaysia received in Malaysia. Click to fill, select your overseas countries, start income. Well, I think it's a bit long-winded. Let me just show you a sample. It should look something like this. For the tax rate, just take the highest tax rate. For my case, Singapore is 24% and Australia is 45%. Amount of tax charged referring to your foreign income tax in a year. Say my tax amount computed in an NOA 2024 is 200. Then I just need to convert the currency rate like 3.3 and indicate 660 ringgit. For last column is the amount you remitted. For instance, I transfer 500 ringgit monthly for my Malaysia credit card bill. Over years, it will be amounted to 6,000 ringgit. Moving to page 4, tax relief. It may not be a concern if your income isn't taxable, but it's good to understand. Country offers relief for expense like parenthood insurance, retirement fund contributions, like Malaysia EPF, Singapore will be CPF, and Australia Supers, all offer tax deduction for contribution. The concept is the same, but deduction rules vary by countries only. Last but not least, page 5, a summary page to confirm your details and your signature. That's it. The completion will take effect. At the home page, you should see a tick for 2024 one. It is done.
Well, until 31st December 2026, Malaysia won't tax your foreign income, even if it is remitted. But LHDN still require you to declare it for record keeping and transparency. So even if no tax is due failing to declare it, LHDN may classify this as non-disclosure, leading to an account review. If selected for an audit, you just need to justify why you didn't declare it earlier. But for the following up part on these issues with them, it's definitely a very troublesome one. Failure to comply with an order to keep proper record and documentations, you can be fined up to 300 to 10,000 or even imprisonment for a term less than 1 year. So back to the money that you failed to declare. If you voluntarily declare before an audit, LHDN may accept it without any penalty. If you forget to declare this sum of remittance, then file a voluntary disclosure accept. Very simple, just go to your hasil service, e-filing, select the year you want to correct it, and when you go in, you still can edit that part for amendment. You want to save this date or share with your friends and family. Here is the deadline for the Malaysia tax filing. And that's all for today's video. I hope this video helped you in your Malaysia tax filings. And if you find this video useful, be sure to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will be sharing with you more finance video. Until then, stay safe and stay invested. I'm Rex. See you next video. Bye bye.